So I'm here at one of the most desirable townhome communities here in Castle Rock. It's Sawgrass and Plum Creek. And I'm at my newest listing, which is a 3-bed, 3-bath townhome. And before we go inside, I really want to show you what this place has to offer on the outside. First off, this particular townhome opens up to this common area where there's grass, and we got some snowfall out here as well, but this has a lot of open space. It also is really nice because you can interact with your neighbors, and it has more of that community feel that's more intimate. So now we're inside the townhome, and this place is packed full of features. It's actually been fully renovated top to bottom. It's got brand new paint, brand new floors, hardwood and carpet, and I'm going to point out all the other things that have been done in this place. So first we come into the living room. It's a large living room full of big windows. You're going to notice there's a lot of light that comes in here. You don't even notice that you have got somebody on both sides of you. It's one of my favorite things about it. Another thing I really love about the character that this house has is you're going to see crown molding all along, in addition to these really nice arches that come in through the entryways. Over to the left, we're going to have your 2-car garage. It's an attached 2-car garage, which isn't very common with a lot of townhomes. You have laundry over here on this side, and then right across from that hallway, you've got a bathroom on the main floor. So all the bathrooms have been redone. This one has a new vanity and brand new paint and everything in there as well. In here in the kitchen, you've got a really nice large eating area and space with this very big window that lets in more light. And then this kitchen has a lot to it. So the one thing they also did is we have brand new stainless steel appliances, all LG, and you can see that really adds a lot of pop to this area. Now we're gonna head upstairs to the 3 bedrooms and the 2 bath that are up there. So at the top of the stairs to the left, you have the master bedroom. As you come on in here, you'll see you've got these really nice decorative windows, again, letting so much light in. The other thing I didn't mention is every window has brand new blinds on it, which is really great. And also every bedroom has ceiling fans. Inside here, you can also see there's vaulted ceilings. And then right off the master is an ensuite bathroom. You've got one sink with a lot of counter space, a bathtub shower, and a room for the toilet. All right, now coming out of the master, we're gonna go down the hallway, and you have a linen closet right here. You have a really great bathroom. This one's been completely redone. You have a brand new mirror, a brand new vanity, as well as tub and tile shower. Then there's 2 bedrooms, one on the left and right. You can use one as this one is done like an office. And you'll notice again, these windows are decorative and bring in tons of light. The other bedroom over here is done as a guest bedroom. Could easily be a kid's bedroom, but also notice there's vaulted ceilings in here as well. So this really is an incredible townhome. I'm super excited about it. If you'd like a private tour, be sure to contact me.